Hi there, welcome back to English Explorers with Ridhima. Let's separate 10 basic words into advanced ones that will make you sound like a pro in English. Help, support. The charity provides support to families in need. Build, construct. They plan to construct a new library in the city center. Break, fracture. The accident caused a fracture in his left arm. Think, contemplate. She sat by the window to contemplate her future plans. Guess, speculate. Experts speculate that the new law will boost the economy. See, observe. The scientists carefully observed the behavior of the animals. Hear, listen. It's important to listen to both sides of the story. Run, sprint. He sprinted to catch the last train of the night. Stop, halt. The driver was forced to halt due to heavy traffic. Start, commence. The meeting will commence at 8 a.m. sharp. Practice makes perfect, so start using these words today. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring English.